Today, we're looking at one of the most classic and reliable Arena 12 decks. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. The deck that you're going to want to use if you want to fly through Arena 12 is actually going to be this deck right here, aka the Mortar Miner Bait. This deck actually sits at 3.1 elixir and has insane defensive value while constantly punishing your opponent. Your mortar not only acts as a win condition, but also a defensive structure. You could set it up aggressively at the bridge for chip damage, or you can drop it defensively to shut down tanks. Pair that with Miner, who can go straight onto towers or sniped range units, and you've got constant pressure. The bait element actually comes with Goblin Gang, Spear Goblins, and Bats. What they'll do is force out small spells like Log or Zap, which leaves your Miner or Mortar free to connect. Add in Rascals, and you've got one of the tankiest defenses at this stage of the game. For spells, you want to use Fireball and Barbarian Barrel, which are going to be perfect for controlling swarms, knocking back support troops, and protecting your mortar pushes. This deck is by far one of the best decks in the entire game. It has godly defense, godly synergy, and even godly free-to-play score, since it doesn't really rely on any legendaries outside of Minor. It's versatile, it cycles fast, and it gives you the answers to just about everything. That's going to wrap it up for today's Arena 12 video. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.